How's it? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We're here in Helderkruin, Krugersdorp. So the client wanted us to sort out his Hansa sliding gate motor, and this is what we wanted to show you. I think we roughly around about four hours in. So let me just pan down here, and hopefully we can see everything. So on the right hand side we've got a V-shaped wheel, and on the left hand side we've got a V-shaped wheel that's basically worn out, so it looks like a round bar wheel. So the wheel sizes are exactly the same, but your gate basically will sit down lower, and that's actually what the client had. We replaced the gate wheels and then the plastic raised rack broke off. So it forced him to put the V-shaped wheels back on. So client got hold of us and asked us to come and sort everything out. So what we did is we did cut off his existing steel gate wheels, and then we repositioned his gate wheels. This is a 6.7 meter gate. So what we did, we positioned the left one 150 millimeters, 1500 millimeters, 1.5 meters from the edge, and the right hand side we've done the same. So basically, if you divide the gate in half, each wheel is carrying its own weight of share in weight on the steel sliding gate. So obviously what we did is we fitted round profile gate wheels, which means as the whole gate system moved down 2 to 3 millimeters, and because of that everything had to change. So we also had to cut off this bracket and adjust it and reinforced it, and while we had it off we summer fitted new rollers onto it. Now this is that rustic gate. It feels actually different not to paint your work, because that's what we do, is paint the work, but here we've got to leave it unpainted. Again, the steel rack has been welded 500 millimeters apart, and then the startup sections have been reinforced. We'll just get to them. Client has a Hansa sliding gate motor, and the limit switch assembly has been modified, and with that we had to modify the limit switch activators. And then obviously with that we fitted in a gate guide bracket, and then also we had to readjust and reposition the electric fence gate contact. So it's amazing, this is quite a very heavy gate, and it's amazing how smoothly it runs. You just quickly get a remote from the client. Okay, cool, let's quickly test it. So there was no need for us to look at the gate motor or to, it's still sturdy, it's standing dead still during operation. And that's what every client and customer wants. There's a gate motor that's working. Just listen to it. That's it. That's exactly what you want as a client. So guys, you know what to do. Give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za and check out Exquisite Security. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all of the support. Stay safe.